Welcome to MarineMax Clearwater. This is Brian Bachland, today walking you through the 2018 Sea Ray 19 SPX. See the rally red colored hull sides. And this boat's powered by 115 horse Mercury Pro XS outboard. So we'll step on board and take a little tour. Telescoping boarding ladder. And you can see on the swim platform there is a walk-through to access the other side easily. Water sports tow post and very large sun pad with storage underneath. Entering the cockpit, you'll see the very large rear seat. Passenger seat converts to a forward or rear facing lounge. Do have a captain's chair with flip up bolster. Storage under the port side helm, dash, full instrumentation and rock Fosgate stereo with Bluetooth compatibility, all marine grade speakers and components. Moving forward, you'll see the very large bow seating area. Front cushion does remove for bow boarding and keep your cushions clean, and wraparound bolsters on all sides to provide very comfortable forward or aft facing seating. If you'd like more information about this boat or any others, please feel free to give me a call. Again, this is Brian Bachland from MarineMax Clearwater, 813-503-2649. Give me a call to stop by the showroom, check the boat out in person in more detail, or schedule a demo. Thank you very much.